There are many toaster oven products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toaster ovens from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Green Life Mini Oven. Rating 4.3. Our healthy ceramic non-stick coating isn't just easy to clean, it's derived from sand and free of FOS, FOA, lead, and cadmium for effortless release and worry-free cooking. The curing phase for our ceramic coating creates 60% less CO2 than the curing phase for traditional non-stick coatings. Handles everything from baking cookies and roasting vegetables to toasting bagels and reheating leftovers. Compact oven fits 4 pieces of toast or up to a 9 pizza. 2 heating elements ensure quick and even heating. Adjustable time and temperature dial keeps cooking simple. Number 4. Nostalgia Toaster Oven. Rating 4.4. Our compact breakfast maker machine is designed to save countertop space while providing a convenient solution for cooking your favorite breakfast meals. The stylish design makes it a great addition to any kitchen decor. This coffee maker brews up to 4 cups at a time in minutes, so you can enjoy a cup of coffee while your food cooks. It comes with a glass carafe, a coffee scoop, and a reusable filter. The large non-stick griddle offers plenty of room to fry eggs, omelets, pancakes, sausages, bacon, hash browns, and other breakfast foods. It also comes with a glass lid. Number 3. Bella 4 Toaster Oven. Rating 4.4. Elevate your breakfast game with Bella's new beautiful toaster. Boasting 4 spacious slots, it can accommodate an array of breads, muffins, and bagels simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for hectic mornings with your loved ones. The reheat function and cancel button make the portable toaster super easy to use and operate. The high lift lever of the portable toaster provides easier access to smaller breads such as English muffins, and the removable crumb tray ensures mess-free cleanup. Safety features like auto shut-off and anti-jam make your mornings worry-free. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven. Rating 4.4. Do more in less space with this small toaster oven. Bake, broil, and toast by easily switching cooking modes with the slide of a lever. It doubles as a 2-slice toaster. The 2-in-1 toaster oven toasts breads 40% faster than the leading toaster oven, which means you can get your sliced bread warm and crispy, quick. With 2 rack positions and a large interior that fits a 9 pizza, this toaster oven is perfect for making muffins, baked potatoes, casseroles, and more. 2-in-1 toaster oven gives you more control, so you can reach the perfect level of golden brown toast. Number 1. Elite Gourmet Toaster Oven. Rating 4.4. Vintage Art Deco design with modern-day function and technology. The stylish mint accents add fun and nostalgia to brighten up the colors in any home kitchen. Adjustable ZO 60-minute timer is perfect for toasting and warming up food for a quick and easy snack or breakfast. However, still has the capability of roasting and baking a delicious meal. Bake a frozen pizza or chicken tenders, broil a fillet of fish, or simply toast up some delicious garlic bread. 1000 watts of power with specially designed glass tubing heating rods. The built-in temperature thermostat maintains even cooking heat to keep food warm, bake or toast. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.